I've been ripped off like a greenhorn. It was my blunder, but I also have my pride. I'd rather eat soil than beg.
Wie schaut denn aus? Kann ich einfach das sicher? Nein. Messer krieg ich auch nicht. Nicht, braucht er keine.
If I wanted a bit of fun, I could ask him whether he's seen Brian. The old codger should be...
Wie schaut denn aus? Braucht noch Knopf? Nein.
Nothing worth nick. I'm not going to carry it in my pocket. I don't care
Den mag
about
auch
that.
nicht. Ein Stecker kriegen wir nicht. Da
He's
ist
lucky
es
to
gegangen,
have-
ich weiß nichts. Also Leute, Aussichten sind bestens. Wobei, warte mal. Da
You
geht
know,
was.
I really can't stand people who spoil business.
I don't get it. Who are you talking about?
The man with the dice. He pestered me from the moment I stepped in the door.
Jeffrey? He won't stop until he fleeces someone.
That's it. He cleans your customers out. They let him fleece the last penny out of them instead of drinking their money at the bar.
He can do whatever he wants, except cheating. He tried it once, so we opened the door with his head. He got the idea very quickly.
He's probably forgotten again. I saw him cheating. He robbed an old fella of a silver pocket watch. You should take care of your guests and try to get the watch back.
I'll remind him of his last lesson.
If I were you, I'd call for help.
Aye, that's exactly what I'm gonna do.
And don't forget the watch.
Und, wo treibt er jetzt? Der schluckt dann.
I can't miss it.
What? What do you want?
Aber hallo. Hätte man nur der Watschen geben. Ich glaube, ich sollte mich zusammenreißen. So schluckt er mehr zum.
How did it go?
Good. He won't cause any more trouble.
And what about the watch?
What watch?
I told you, he'd robbed an old man of a silver pocket watch. I thought you took it from him.
He can go to the police. It's not my problem. And I don't want to talk about it anymore.
Damn, the watch is gone.
Zur Polizei geh. Kein guter Plan. Von der komm ich durch.
I'm not going to...
Ja gut, den Drink krieg ich nicht. Neuigkeiten? Nein.
It's nice that they chucked the scoundrel out, but it's not solved my problem with the gravedigger. Well, well, well. The gentleman has forgotten something here.
Ja, pass auf, das Spiel ist fort. Ja, dann krieg ich das Messer. Jawohl. Zumindest der
There's
Taschenmesser.
nothing like an honest day's work. At last I feel like a human being again.
Oh, mit dem Messer kann ich vielleicht, warte mal. Da drunten im Keller. Mit der Fleisch aber schnell. War logisch, oder?
When I did this last time, in the ship's kitchen, they caught me.
Ja, dümm mich mal nicht rum. Nimm die Brotzeit mit. Pass auf, Stückel Fleisch. Wahrscheinlich braucht ihr für den Köter, oder?
I can't tear it up.
Was sagst du zu dem Seil? Ah, da, oder?
It didn't hurt at all.
So, jetzt habe ich Fleisch und Seil. Geht da was? Nein. Mit dem Fleisch wahrscheinlich nicht. Mit dem Messer auch nicht.
Once was enough.
Aber ich möchte unbedingt zurück in den Kanal. Eh unwahrscheinlich, oder? Aber mit dem Fleisch kann was gehen, oder? Beim Friedhof. Ich glaube, damit kann ich den Hund befriedigen. Du so mit der Stur da. Bleib mit dem Messer. Ja, Lumpi, warte mal. Gleich gibt der Brotzeit.
This was easy, like a hot knife through butter.
So, da mit dem Pflasterstur. Damit der Schluck den Hund. Nein. Oder geht vielleicht. Warte mal. Geht da was? Nein.
One slash and the work will be done. Damn work. It can't be true. At last. I was near to giving up. Gas is a good ally, silent and reliable.
Aha. Mit der Feuerwehr oder was?
Maybe it'll die of hunger. It'll be safer.
Der Schneiden? Nein. Kann der irgendwas kombinieren? Tatsächlich.
Great. Now it's perfect. I could go catching sharks with this.
Einen Haifanger, dann mal nicht. Aber einen Hund.
Maybe it'll die of hunger. It leads nowhere.
Oder möchtest du das da durchschmeißen, ha? Damit er betäubt wird. In diesem Plan?
I should let you starve, you bastard. But this will be a faster way. So, come on. Take it.
Und, Köter, wie schaut denn aus? Oh Gott, Jü. Der vergaß den Hund. Ja, toll, Jü. Der Hund ist fort.
Sleep well.
Schläft er gerade oder ist er tot?
It leads nowhere.
Aber jetzt könnte, warte mal, komm ich da rein? Wenn er fort ist. Auf leisen Sohlen, oder? Dann geht das schon.
Everything's okay. Nobody in sight.
Timmy Quackneck, rein da. Oh Gott, der schaut dumm drüber. Aber, Herren bin ich, gell?
No living soul in here.
Ball auf, Kumpel. Machen wir den da. So, da haben wir jetzt. Da geht's hinter die Kira. In die Kira. Da der Baum. Und so ein Tor. Was sagt der Baum? Wahrscheinlich nichts, oder?
Nothing.
Wenn du schnitzen? Ah, nicht, oder? Eine kleine Schnitzerei für zwischendurch.
Bigots. What do they know about life? I've never trusted them, and Brian wouldn't go there either.
Also beten gehen wir auch nicht. Schau mal da hinten. Ja, hinter der Kirche. Was gibt denn da? Nobeltums. Mal schau mal um mich.
Brian!
Brian, wie schaut denn aus? Hängt du da rum? Hey, da ruhst du.
What the hell was that? I almost filled my pants.
Eingeschissen, praktisch. Und jetzt?
I'm not going to go there. My knees are still shaking like a jelly.
Ja, toll, schürt, muss es in die Hosen. Und da ist er dabei. Dann geh ich um mich. Geht es mit Messer bewaffnet? Nein. Ich schau mich nur noch. Und wer ist das?
Brian,
Das ist Brian.
is it you? Man, I've been looking for you for ages.
Und was sagt er? Pennt er oder ist er tot?
Oh my God.
Ja gut, der zuckt ein bisschen. Ganz so tot war er noch nicht.
You jackass. I thought you were dead.
Take it easy, Tim. I'm okay. But you're a bit pale.
Damn, Brian, I'm chasing after you in pubs and cemeteries, and you're merrily sleeping here.
Like a log. You know me. Once asleep, I'm like a corpse. I'm glad to see you.
Glad to see you too, you fool.
What are you waiting for? Sit down. Did the gravedigger hound you or what?
Don't frighten me. How did you get here?
I have my ways. Did you have any trouble?
Ah, nothing I couldn't manage.
I knew I could rely on you. Nonetheless, you should be glad it's quiet today. Adieu, Jack wouldn't niggle with us. You can trust me.
Adieu, Jack. That sounds familiar.
You won't know him. He's a real butcher, the leader of a local gang. The cemetery's their territory, but they've already cleaned it twice this week, so they won't bother today.
That's it. He was going to launch another crackdown.
Are you sure?
Absolutely. He was talking to a brainless gorilla. He told him to get hold of the others and that they'd meet in an hour.
And when was that?
They're already late.
Damn. Come on, we're out of here. It's not worth the risk.
Und Brian, nur die Socke, was damit jetzt? Ihr rennt davon.
Hurry up, we're getting out.
You can count on that. I'm not staying another second.
Bei der zum Friedhof.
I don't have the stomach nor the mood for this. I want to get out.
I want to get out. Geh mit um mich.
Where has he gone?
Climb up, Tim. What are you waiting for?
Oh God, Brian. You sleep here like a baby all night, and now it's like the place is on fire. I'll be right there.
Okay, but buck up.
I'll tear him to pieces one day.
Ja Mann, wie schaut du aus? Climb up. Braucht einen Grabstuhl. Ja gut. War nicht der Neueste, gell?
Damn. Blasted stonemasons, idiots. Climbing is over.
Climbing is over.
It's just a wreck. I could hurt myself.
Da geht auch nix. Und das Grab da schön.
I wonder
Welcher
how much it
Grabräuber, wo
hurts to
da
be
umwirkt.
burnt to ashes. Anyway, if I don't get out of here now, I'll find out what it's like to have a knife stabbed in my stomach. I wonder how much it hurts. Anyway,
Mit rumstochen? Nein. Mit dem Medaillon. Und dafür wird er wahrscheinlich nicht kommen, oder?
it's too high for me.
Die Chancen stehen schlecht.
Brian learned to fly. I've escaped from an orphanage, a jail, a ship.
Ja gut, ich behaupte, da gib mir nicht viel.
I don't want to end up here.
Ja gut, schieß im Schacht. Meint der Dimmi, zurück. Auf der Bank, was geht denn da?
Well, but where should this go?
Mit der Beng. Und den nun noch mit,
It'd be an awful chore to pull it aside. So let's get down to work.
Da den ist schön.
God knows how much I hate physical work.
Aber Dimmi, die holt bestimmt, oder? Helf ich doch.
The fun's over. Someone's coming. And I won't wait for him.
Oder bringt jetzt um. Ja, pass auf, der Brian ist schon da. Und der Dimmi gerät noch hin.
What were you doing there? I almost took roots here.
Do you think I can fly or what?
There was a time you'd climb it like an ape. I haven't forgotten it yet.
Yeah, well, there was a time you'd wait for your pal.
What are you talking about? We're still pals.
You'd better tell me where we're going. We can chat later.
Come on, let's go. I know the perfect place to hide. You'll be surprised.
A smart word at last. I have to find a place to hide and plan what I'll do next. I wonder how he's going to get the money for the tickets to America. And we'll need something to start us off. But maybe I'm worrying about nothing. He wouldn't have written to me if he hadn't an ace up his sleeve. We'll paint the town red, just like we did in the old days. Together again. Damn, where has he got to?
November 1894. I don't know which good fairy is with me, but the resolution of the drowned dressmaker's case has opened a new door for me. A transfer, my own office in Plymouth, and possible promotion. I hope this will be a good start to a successful career. The 13th of November. Fortunately, I'm not superstitious.